The moment we become parents, the unconditional love to raise our kids well becomes our top priority. On top of our list is to give them a good education so that no matter what happened, they can live and survive independently. Pinakamahalagang pamana ay edukasyon. Upang mawala man tayong mga magulang, ay di tayo mag-aalala na maiiwan silang walang kakayanang mabuhay mag-isa. But how can we make our kids love learning? Paano ba nila maiibigang mag-aral? The first thing to do is let them learn how to read. Teach them how to read. The moment they can walk and talk, we should already encourage them to learn. We put alphabet posters, number posters, colored wheels, shape posters, flashcards, animal and body parts posters. We stack these on certain parts of their rooms' walls or corners of the house conducive to learning. We also encourage them to read illustration books or watch educational programs and movies. We also taught them songs like the alphabet and number songs such as 10 Little Indians so that they could get accustomed to learning through an easy and enjoyable process. Here are some things that we did. Number 1, reading repeatedly. We let our kids memorize letters, numbers, shapes, colors, and names of objects every day. Araw-araw uulitin na basahin ang mga letra o salita na nais nating ituro. Repetition and practice allow them to absorb these simple lessons. Maging matiyaga na magturo ng isang bagong salita araw-araw para masanay at matuto. Simulan sa mga salita na matatagpuan sa bahay. Yes, for example, name of food and name of house appliances. Number 2. We read them stories from fairy tales like Snow White that teaches values of kindness and awareness about bad intentions. When they were old enough, we let them read Swiss Family Robinson to learn about survival and family values, or the Harry Potter series that teaches how important education is, where the Hogwarts School in the story represents an institution that molds the mind in order to be not just great people, but generous with the heart. Number 3, we took them to bookstores and museums. Exposed them to reading materials, let them choose subjects they wanted to know about. If you cannot afford to buy books, you can borrow from libraries or reading sites on your phones. These activities work well for our kids, and who knows, before you know it, your kids might also acquire the habit of reading and learning on their own. We used to encourage our children by making examples of fictional heroes like Hermione from the Harry Potter series, who was an ordinary girl that did not come from a magical family yet excelled in school. Or Dexter, a cartoon character in the Dexter Laboratory series, who was a student but whose interest made him extraordinary. We told them, extraordinary kids can become a great and successful if they become educated, determined, and knowledgeable. Creating a sharp mind through education and the discipline to work hard can create wonders in life. So, dear parents, be patient with your kids. Teach them new things and let them discover that a beautiful world is waiting for them.
If you like this content or found it helpful, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification button.